Are you using the official guide 2025 to 2026 to study for the GMAT, or you're planning your MBA applications this fall? This week's updates could change how you prep and apply, from must-have GMAT resources to MBA salary data and application fee waivers that could save you hundreds of dollars. Stay tuned because everything we cover is linked in the description below. So let's dive right in. If you're prepping with the new GMAT official guide 2025 to 2026, you need to know about this. The team at GMAC Club just released a comprehensive error log for the latest official guide, and it's not just a list of corrections. This tool helps you identify question difficulty, track your progress, and target weak areas more efficiently. Each question is tagged by difficulty level, easy, medium, hard, and very hard, based on actual GMAC Club timer session data. Plus, there's an Excel version with analytics and logging features. Huge shout out to King Bucky, Bunwell, Samitaram22, and HR1212 for building this. You'll find dedicated logs for quant, verbal, and data insights, with the full verbal log dropping on August 7th. MSR and GNT online question IDs are also being added by August 6th. If you're serious about mastering the OG, don't miss this. Link to download the tool is in the description below. Struggling with GMAT critical reasoning? The second article in the CR 101 series breaks down the biggest non-approach many students follow: rereading the argument 5 times and getting nowhere. Instead, you learn a 4-step process. Identify the question, deconstruct the argument, state the goal, and work from wrong to right. With examples, question categories, and strategies straight from MGMAT, this is a must-read for anyone aiming to improve verbal scores fast. Full article is linked in the video description. If inequalities are slowing you down on GMAT focus, this new video by Aditya Kumar is your cheat code. In this latest masterclass, Aditya teaches a time-efficient way to approach inequalities. No unnecessary value plugging, just pure algebraic logic. It's perfect for those aiming to improve quant scores quickly, and includes a free downloadable PPT and links to all past sessions. Over 178,000 have watched his previous inequality breakdown, so don't miss this update for the Focus edition. Links are below. Mark your calendar. The biggest free essay workshop of the season is happening on August 12th, hosted by none other than us, GMAC Club. Top admissions consultants will walk you through real MBA essays for schools like HBS, Stanford, Wharton, Kellogg, INSEAD, and many more. Get pro insights on how to tell your story, avoid common traps, and tailor your essays to each school's expectations. Bonus, if you register by August 7th, you get 1 week of GMAC Club quiz access free. Plus, essay reviews and consulting prizes are up for grabs for attendees. Registration link is in the description, so don't miss out. What if you could apply to your dream MBA programs for free? GMAT Club just updated its comprehensive list of application fee waivers for the 2025 to 2026 cycle. From Harvard to Stanford, Yale to Darden, you'll find eligibility criteria for military members, Peace Corps, Forte launch participants, low-income applicants, and many more. This list can save you hundreds of dollars across applications. Find the full fee waiver breakdown in the description below. Which MBA programs actually lead to the best jobs and salaries? GMAT Club analyzed data from 51 top MBA programs and found that while Stanford leads with the highest average salary, which is over $187K, schools like Darden, Jindal, and Vanderbilt offer amazing job placement at graduation. Jindal and Terry deliver standout value with high recruiter ratings despite lower tuition costs. Meanwhile, Booth, Wharton, and Sloan dominate recruiter prestige scores. Whether you're chasing top pay or best ROI, you'll want to check out the full placement and salary report, which is linked below. Ever wonder why some candidates with perfect stats still get dinged? Well, in a new GMAT Club video, Susan Berishaj, who's from C Admissions, explains that many applicants fail not because of weak credentials, but because their story just doesn't stand out. This session teaches you how to connect your essays, resume, and recs into one powerful narrative, the kind that top schools can't ignore. If you're applying in round 1 or preparing for round 2, this is required to view. Link is in the description below. And that's it for this week's biggest updates in the GMAT and MBA world. If any of these news items caught your eye, all the links are right there in the description so that you can dive into it deeper. And hey, if this video helped you stay informed and on track with your MBA goals, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. We've got more coming every week. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.